If you work with tables in LibreOffice Writer, learning how to resize table cells is one of those small skills that can make a huge difference in the way your document looks and feels. Whether you're building a report, organizing data, or formatting a clean professional layout, adjusting your table cells helps everything fit properly and makes your document much easier to read. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to resize table cells in LibreOffice Writer step by step. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple software tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, look at the left side under Create and click on Write a Document. If you already have a document with a table in it, you can simply open that existing file instead. After your document is open, go to the table you want to edit. Now move your mouse over the border of the table cell you want to resize. When you hover over the edge, your cursor may change, which tells you that the border can be adjusted. Once you see that, click and drag the border to the size you want. You can drag it wider, narrower, taller, or shorter, depending on the direction of the border you're adjusting. As you move the border, you'll see the selected table cells resize in real time. This makes it very easy to get the exact layout you want without needing any complicated settings. If the table feels too cramped, drag the border outward to give the text more space. If the cells are too large, drag inward to make the table more compact and organized. You can repeat this process for any other cell border in the table until everything looks balanced. This is especially useful when one column has a lot of text and another column only needs a small amount of space. Resizing the cells lets you control the appearance of your table and keeps your document looking polished. It's a simple drag and drop action, but it saves a lot of time when formatting documents. Once you're happy with the size of your cells, just continue editing your document as normal. And that's it. You've now learned how to resize table cells in LibreOffice Writer. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to hover and how to drag the border. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials, and share it with someone who uses LibreOffice Writer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.